Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe back at you again. And yeah, as you can see right there, we are going to be talking about a brand new MCP. Yeah, this MCP I am super excited about. It has a bunch of new stuff that we haven't been able to do before. So I'm going to give you some of the key points, and then I'm going to show you how to install it on Klein. If you want to install on Klein, I'm going to install it on Visual Studio Code on Mac as well, just to keep things simple. So Bright MCP, what is it? It pretty much can do a bunch of research for you online and collect it, put it into a nice little report. And then with that report, you can put that report, do whatever you want with it. It's yours, you own it, you paid for it, whatever it is, right? So it has real-time access. It has no geo restrictions. Oh, I'm going to try using this. I'm kind of excited about it. Let's see. No geo restrictions. Oh, come on. Just press the button here. Oh, that's cool. It navigates for you. So it can use your, can navigate pop protected sites. So normally there's a website and it'll be like, oh, you know, how many of these pictures are bikes or whatever it is. Or sometimes it'll be even more basic security than that. This bypasses that now, and you can do research on stuff like Facebook, like Kijiji, like eBay. You can get in there and have some real fun with it. And this is where it's going to really start getting crazy when it comes to the different bots you can make and making some money online, right? Because that's the goal. All right. Like we said, protected sites are covered. And lastly, it integrates with assistants. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to let's get this out of the way. We are going to be installing this on Klein and Visual Studio Code, which is on Mac. All right. So if you're using either of these, this is going to be one for you. Okay. So to do this on Klein, all we're going to need to do is we're going to start with finding the right link. So the URL link to the GitHub. Install on Klein. 1, link to GitHub. 2, we're going to quickly read the instructions to make sure we know what's going on. And 3, we're going to prompt it. Okay, that's it. We're keeping it super simple. So I have the link here. This is the link, and here's the information. Claude, cursor, VS Code, exactly what we're up to. Okay, real time, all stuff we kind of talked about. Navigate websites. Here's the node. It does need an account set up. If it does, we will jump into that. Let's see here. Let's just check it out together. See how it goes here. I'll log in with GitHub. That was easy. And I'll double log in with GitHub. Cool. I don't really want to do anything else right now. Pretty cool. Test candidates for 3 days. Great. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it's fun. Oh, I'm excited to read that, watch that too. If you stick around and you comment in there that you want me to watch some other videos with you and try walking through it, you can watch me kind of stumble around and give you some instructions on stuff. I'm happy to do it. I think that'd be fun. Be a fun little hangout sesh. All right. So now that we have this information, we are going to go to Klein right here. Okay. We are going to say install this MCP server on Klein. This should be fun. It's going to do some pondering. It's going to do some thinking. It's going to do some working. It's going to examine it. Beautiful. Yeah, Node.js is installed. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to go allow always because I don't want to come back to this all the time. I just want to keep it simple. You know what I mean? Allow always. Okay, I do need an API. I will get rid of this API after because I know it can be a bit of a party. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. So I'm going to come over here. API token. Give me an API token. Doesn't want to give me an API token. Give me an API token. Being difficult. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. Okay, navigate to your account settings. Click on the add token. Configure your user permissions. And click save. Once your token has been generated, save it in a secure location. Account settings, click on add token. I do not see an account that says add token anywhere. Doesn't say it there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, man. Doesn't really want me to. Doesn't want me to do anything. So that's okay. I guess you're going to need more than whatever I have here. Not a partner. Yeah, okay. Well, it doesn't look like we are going to make this happen because it doesn't exist, I guess. I need an API token. Anyways, well, I was really excited to get this going and it's not going to happen. So yeah, this doesn't, I'm in account settings. Add token. Account settings. API tokens. Give me something. Oh, here we go. Okay. Got it. That's how you do it. Wow. So you come over here, you click this, you click refresh the token. It'll give you an update. Great. Let's go back to Claude. I'll refresh this after the video comes out, just so that way. Here's the API token. Okay, we're cooking. We're cooking. I got a little stuck there. So stuck happens. I think it's a normal thing. And now we don't have a lot of credits, but I want to have some fun with this either way. So how is this going? It's happening. We're happening. If you've made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hang out with me. let's do some work. Let's make some money online together. You know, you're going to be working either way. You might as well hang out with me while you're doing it. Okay, it's now running. PID this. Okay. Add a README file for easy instructions later. I will need to be able to use this. Actually, yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if it actually configured the server, so we're going to confirm that this is a thing that happens. I'm not coming back to this later and have it not working. We're going to test it right now. Internal server error. What are you doing? What do you mean internal server error? See this? This is the frustration. This is what it is here. You think you're making some progress, and it just does weird stuff on you. You know what I mean? So I refreshed it. Let's see what's going on. In the meantime, we're going to do something else too. So here is my Visual Studio Code. We're going to try installing it in here and see how this goes, because I think that would be a little more fun. History restored. Okay, so in order to install this, weird stuff's happened in the background. We'll come back to that. In order to install this, this is what you do. So you come into Klein, you come over here into MCP servers. I'll expand that a little bit. You see installed, you can actually scroll over one here. No, yeah, you come into installed, configure MCP servers. Okay. And you right click on this here, and you're going to go copy relative path, click done. You come over here, you say, hey, here's the path to my MCP.json file. I want you to install this MCP server. And now I'm going to place the URL from earlier right here. Let's see how this goes. Now, while we wait for that to kind of spin up. Yeah, it's spinning up. Here we go. Okay, while we wait for that to spin up, let's have a look over here. So this thing's behaving quite strangely. Let's see if we can get it rocking and rolling again. You know, you never expect these things to just kind of like break on you, but they do. You kind of got to be ready for that thing, you know? Not everything goes to plan. I was expecting this to be a 3-minute video, and I'm pretty sure we're not at 3 minutes anymore. Rate exceeded. Come on now. Let's see. Come on. Oh, we are on the struggle today, boys. Give me the login. Let me log in. Oh my God, it is not happy. Something's busted, man. Well, I will have to come back to this. Is it opening or is it broken? Oh my God, it's broken. It's so broken. Okay, well, I hope you weren't doing everything as I did it, because that would have been very disappointing. Yeah, I'll give him the API key. Ooh, I did not save it. Have you obtained an API token? I have the API token. Here it is. Let's go back and get the API token. Let's put it in there. Optional web unlock. Well, this is turning out to be a lot more complicated. I guess it just needs a lot more information because of how in depth it is and how far it goes. So this isn't going to be a very successful video, which is tough. But I mean, sometimes I guess it just is what it is. I'm just going to say just set up the basic tools, because I still want to get this done. We got to make a video out of this. This is going to be a fun video. So sure. It's asking us to run that out. Okay, we're sending it back. Yeah, install it. We're getting it installed. Damn, this is a lot of work. The struggle is real, guys. It's real. You know, and it's just, it broke something on my Claude desktop, which is wild. My Anthropic is hooped right now. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. It does not want to open up. Yeah, it does not want to open up. So I'm going to have to figure out what's going on there. More headaches, man. More headaches. Let's toggle this to the act mode. We're making it happen either way. I'm going to send on to Claude and just see what's going on here. See if I can get in on the regular. Because if it's hella broken, then it's hella broken. Oh my God, it is super broken. Look at this. I'll see if I can. Oh yeah, that is not happy. That is not happy. This is what, my 4th attempt at logging in? Yeah, not happy. Not working it. Okay, so I broke Claude. This thing doesn't recognize my token. And sometimes this is what a day in the life looks like. You're just getting spanked around. And today I am getting spanked around. And this is costing me money too. 3 cents. It ain't bad, but damn, that ain't fun either. How's she spending? 30 cents and we're cooking through it. Okay. Okay. Let's run a test on it. So, hey, we've been able to solve some of this. We're not super out of the loop. Okay. So plan. So I'm going to use to launch a server in the future, use the command. Client capabilities interface was displayed, but this does not prevent the server from functioning. What does that mean? I'm going to give it the token. I'm going to see if it can just install it itself, man. Like, I'll re-roll the token after. Doesn't want to do that. Doesn't want to do anything, man. So far, just in case you are curious about what we've been done so far, is we've broken Klein. We've broken Claude Desktop. That's gone. We've set up we've applied for this MCP, which does take money. So I don't even think I'm going to be using it. But I wanted to have some fun with this and kind of show you guys, you know, what it's like trying to set this stuff up. And you know what? It's not super fun all the time. I'm getting spanked today. just how much one could charge to maintain a website. Let's just see if it can like do something. I just want to see. I'd love to see some answers out of this. It's not even using it. Well, it is what it is, boys. We're not making it. Today ain't my day for this brightdata MCP. I don't know what happened. We almost had it done. It went right back to the Brave MCP. So thank God it did something. At least this whole video isn't a thing, but yeah. No. Plain text always. Plain text always. Auto proof. Yeah. So this is going to be the video. It didn't even use it in the end. Here you go. Website maintenance pricing package Canada. So it is doing some like basic work. Putting together a little file. That's going to be the next video. I'm just going to put together a little quote. I have a client I was talking to, or a potential client. There you go. I wrote it out right here. Range $3,600 to $12,000. I'm assuming that, yeah, that's a year. Monthly cost range $35 to $100. Typical servers include domain renewal, hosting, SSL, content security. Great. So ignore everything we just did. I have to go figure out how I broke Klein, and don't do what I did. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, you liked hanging out with me, smash the like button, click subscribe. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I will catch you later. Goodbye.